There is one place on earth you cannot freely explore, a continent much larger than Europe, but it is without nations and citizens. A land covered by ice older than the civilization itself. Welcome back to Shadows and Scripts, where power is measured not by what is declared but by what is quietly protected. This is episode 3. Antarctica is described as empty, silent, unimportant, yet every major power on earth is present there. Tonight, we ask a simple but unsettling question. What lies beneath the ice of Antarctica and why is the access so carefully controlled? Officially, Antarctica is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System. Military activity is banned, mining is prohibited, the continent is reserved for peace and science. On paper, it is humanity's most cooperative achievement. And much of this is true. But Antarctica hosts the climate research, astrophysics, and glaciology. Scientists study ice cores that reveal Earth's ancient climate. Telescopes search the universe from its clean skies. But here is the contradiction. A place said to be only for science is one of the most restricted regions on the planet, and that restriction always invites questions. Scientifically, we already know Antarctica is not empty. Beneath kilometers of ice lie vast mountain ranges, deep valleys, and ancient river system. Subglacial lakes sealed for millions of years, geological formations older than the recorded history itself. Some parts of Antarctica have not even seen the sunlight since long before humans existed. Ice preserves, ice hides, and ice delays the discovery. And when something is hidden for long enough, people begin to imagine what else might be there. This is where the speculation begins. Some theories claim Antarctica hides advanced alien technology, non human structures, lost ancient civilizations, secret bases built with unknown technology. These ideas are fueled by satellite images showing strange shapes, stories of no fly zones, historical myths from the Cold War era, online documentaries, and viral videos. But here is the critical truth. There is no verified scientific evidence supporting the existence of the very alien technology, extraterrestrial beings, or advanced non human civilizations in Antarctica. No physical artifacts, no peer reviewed proof, and no official confirmation. What exists are interpretation, misread images, and imagination. However, Antarctica does host advanced technology, not alien but human. Ice penetrating radar, deep ice drilling machines, climate supercomputers, astrophysics observatories. These technologies are cutting edge but fully explainable within the known science. Yet to the public, advanced tools working in a forbidden land can feel indistinguishable from secrecy. And that very secrecy creates myth. Antarctica matters not because of aliens, but because of the future power it holds. Nearly 70% of the world's fresh water, climate control over the global systems, untapped resources looked beneath treaties. Every major nation maintains a presence there. The United States, Russia, China, India, Europe, not through the armies, but through institutions. This is the logic of the deep power. Prepare early and claim it later. What is protected today becomes a leverage tomorrow. Antarctica probably does not hide aliens. It probably does not even hide alien machines as well, but it hides something real: time, opportunity, future advantage. When the ice melts, what lies beneath will no longer be speculation. And the nations preparing today are not doing it for curiosity, they are doing it for control. So the mystery is not what is hidden under the ice. The real mystery is why decisions about an entire continent are made without public consent, and why that silence feels completely normal. If this episode made you question the idea of empty land, subscribe to the channel, because in shadows and scripts, every forbidden place exists for a reason, and every silence hides a decision. The ice is not the only thing keeping secrets frozen. Thank you.